Alright.
What's up, guys? We're back. Nick traded his Mark IV for something that's right in front of me right now. This is Nick's 95 E36.
E32!
And it's a vert. Drift car.
Pretty much just a bone stock E30 or 325i that's dumped on its nuts and it has a wide body on it.
Yeah, so it's really low right now. We're actually gonna raise it up today because it's just looks stupid. It has some dumb broken heart marks from where he had broken heart stickers. Nice, not delivered.
Previous owner was going through some rough times, I'll tell you what.
Yeah, he was definitely quite the sad boy, but we're getting rid of all that, so ain't no sad boys around here.
Kind of concerning. I don't know where my gun is.
A super satisfying paint detailing thing.
Oh yeah!
Nope, they're stuck on there for life.
I think there's a sticker, dude. I think there's a sticker under the wrap. It would look kind of sick with black over fenders.
Well, I don't know what color they are under. I think they're
Probably black.
Back seats are actually kind of roomy.
Dude, it's gonna be so sick to cruise in the back. You're just bouncing the whole car.
Dude, I could fucking like...
Oh yeah, rest your feet. There you go.
The top can't be up.
I love that this doesn't even sit down all the way. Look.
I feel like this is just in the way of it clipping in.
It's the one thing I'm like, I don't think it would come up while you're driving though.
The wind is gonna go right over here.
Yeah, but it's not, I don't know. It's pretty heavy to lift up with the wind. Definitely looks better. Yeah, I would stop. Yeah. Come on through. There you go. Is that all the weight on it?
My jack's not touching.
Oh. Hang on, mine is.
You good? Still good.
That's not touching anymore. You want to shake the car a little? I'm reefing on it.
Solid.
Yeah, I'm fucking reefing on it.
Don't gotta worry about it falling off. Their torque's like 700 foot-pounds. Broke my breaker bar.
I mean, it's a little crusty, but not awful.
Good enough.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better already.
Black.
I'd say that's definitely better. Alright, so me and Nick just raised both fronts. Didn't want to bore you with doing the other side because it's not very interesting. But both fronts are done. We raised them about 5 turns. It came up quite a bit. Definitely looks a lot better than it did slammed.
So much better. And now I just need to get it aligned.
Yeah, we just need to get rid of the -7 degrees of camber. So as you can see right here, they are maxed out. He took a hammer right here so you can get more clearance from the strut tower.
That side's worse.
Yeah, so this side's the same, if not worse. And yeah, it's a little too much camber, I'd say.
Slightly.
Same with the back. If you can tell, it's tucking how it was in the front and with about the same camber. So he actually gave us the camber sheets with the car. Negative 7.2, that's negative 6.7, 6.8, and 6.6. So it's negative 7 basically all the way around. And me and Nick just aren't really a fan. And it's also not good for drifting.
Stance.
Stance is stupid in both of our opinions.
He's fucking moving. Dumb.
You're on the YouTube channel.
Oh, wow.
Look at it.
Wow. No more VR?
No more misfires.
No more.
Holy fuck. I didn't explain where we were going, but we're going to trade plates with the guy that Nick bought his car from.
How you doing? Good. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have an amazing day.
Bye! I haven't said anything in this vlog until now. Oh, that sounds good. It's still spinning.
Third gear. There we go.
It just stopped spinning.
God, dude. How do you hit that?
Damn.
You can't park there. Don't, Nick.
You can't park there!
Can't park there.
You want to race?
Can we race? Yeah.
Alright.
Heck yeah.
Oh
Oh,
it's
yeah.
pretty slow.
Get the camera. These are really fast.
Alright, ready?
Go!
What?
He's actually...
We got this! We're at Walmart. This entrance is closed. That's cool. Oh, Connor, go. We got Nick too? Okay. Yep, it's definitely shut.
Oh, shit!
Hey guys, so it's the day after all those clips were. We're working on the Beamer right now. They're actually upstairs. I just welded the diff up for Nick because that was like kind of one of the big projects. My camera died last night at a really weird time. So like I never really got any of what happened after. So the whole car is taken apart right now. The diff's out. It's actually going back in right now, so I'm gonna go up there and film a little bit. But I just wanted to update you guys on what was happening because I never really got the chance to explain what was happening.
Go, Will. Hey, hold up. That's my hand. Oh, I got a cramp. That hurt.
There we
Okay,
go.
well, it's on a diff. There, on a diff.
The tire fucking thing. Don't want to crush this connector. It's holding it right.
Why can I not twist this? There we go. And so they're just tightening up the bolts up there. But the diff's literally back in the car right now, so that's pretty sweet. Perfect.
Hey,
Look how this kid's sitting.
you give it a nice.
When the back pops, that's how you know it's torqued.
Alright, interview. Alright, how did it go?
Shitty.
Shitty?
Yeah.
Why shitty? It went in way too easy.
Connor
No,
hates
it's still,
me now
it's still
forever.
shitty. I stripped his axle and strapped it off.
Yeah,
The
just
axle
don't
was
look at it.
kinda fucked up.
It's all good. As long as it drives, then we'll say it's good.
We'll give it a thorough test run.
Yeah, we'll give it a Connor Raiden certified out of 10. You ready to do some welded diff noises?
Hey, can you brush my back off?
Yeah. I don't either in the 240. Yeah, you're good. You're good.
That's not good.
What? Oh, what the?
Why is it locked?
Alright, so now we're having issues with the front tire. locking up. Alright, luckily it was just some little issue. Just this bracket right here was rubbing against the wheel. I mean, it's rolling.
Good day for a vert, huh?
Yeah, huh? It's pretty nice out. So I kind of ended that video at a really weird time. Nick had to leave for work, so it was kind of just us rushing out of here. Never really got to show off Nick's car. Kind of ended just with him leaving, and definitely gonna get some drift clips soon because we both have welded diffs now. We're gonna be making some upgrades to the 240 and the E36 soon. So more videos to come. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.